that will ultimately determine whether Donald Trump or Kamala Harris wins the White House. And Jenny, you have been reporting out of Nevada. So just to begin with, put that broad electoral picture for us.
Oh! Okay, Garmin. Save video. Oh my god!
At Panhandle Slim, we've woven our legacy into the untamed spirit of the West. We're rooted in tradition. Since 1946, we've been making garments as authentic as you can. The West isn't just where we've been.
Hey folks, it's Mike and we're just on the way to the cottage. There's a white pickup truck behind me and we're just going to turn left here and whoa! White pickup truck's not behind me anymore. It's in front of me. So I laid on my horn and watch Bro Mingo here. He doesn't particularly like having the horn laid on. Nice sunglasses. He's got the bald head and the goatee. Good stereotype going on here. So he asked me if I had a problem and I said, "No, you cut me off." And he got back in his truck and drove off.
Save you money when you bundle your home and auto with us. Get a quote at Progressive.com. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company affiliates and other insurers not available in all states. Accomplishing goals is hard, but when your goal is
Jesus!
Current loop video is...
Jesus Christ! What the hell? Whoa! Good job, buddy. Whoa.
Oh my. Are you guys okay?
We're good.
Fucking compliment. Oh my God.
翻嚟好似你話就你坐飛機，阿媽就嚟暈喎。佢阿媽冇乜機，冇乜而家冇乜撥你喎，係撥你啊？做乜咁嘅佢？黐線㗎，黐黐地㗎啦，咁都得？點樣揸車㗎呢個人？你 點樣揸車咁，咁樣。